Hey, how's it going, friends? In this video, I just want to recap this past year, which has been a great, awesome year for this channel. And I want to tell you what I'm headed for in the future, my plans for this channel, for the content, and pretty much everything that's being planned right now and things that are happening right now. So check this out. It's been a really awesome year for this channel, and I'm very thankful that these brands and sponsors sent me a lot of cool gear to review. This was huge for me because I never thought I would make it to the point where people wanted to give me free stuff for a review. I also learned a few things about what I like to review and what I don't. Part of this realization is because I realized I didn't need to accept every offer. But in the beginning, I was just so excited to have these opportunities, I just said yes to everything. And the reason I say no some of the time now is because I would never recommend something to you awesome people that I don't believe in myself, that I would never use. I'm not always going to be the best fit for a brand if it turns out the gear I'm reviewing is, to me, junk. This past year I shared more of my cinematic vlogs, something I really enjoy creating and sharing, sharing, and repeating. 2019 I want to expand a little more on that in the form of photo vlogs. And for me, a photo vlog is not just about gear and settings, which I will definitely include, but it's about the experience and the how and the why of what I'm doing. I also have plans in the new year to collaborate with other creatives, which I'm really excited about because up until now it's pretty much just been me, and I really want to bounce some ideas off of other people. Hopefully I can start this soon if I can get anybody to meet up with me in freezing cold weather, or we can figure something out to do inside that is photography or video related. So actually, if you're in the central Pennsylvania area or willing to travel halfway, meet halfway, and want to collab, just let me know. This next comment here is gonna probably upset some people and probably get some people excited. Depends on what camera company you use currently. I recently switched from both Nikon and Panasonic to Canon. All my videos up until now have been manual focus, and it has been so much easier for me now that I have a reliable camera for video. Constantly wondering whether or not my videos were even in focus, having to do retakes because I get it on the computer and I'm just slightly out of focus, my eyes are just slightly blurred. It really added a lot of anxiety to my videos, and sometimes I swear it showed in the video that I had anxiety and was trying not to worry that I was in focus. And I am so pumped that this is no longer an issue. And plus, I no longer have to carry 2 camera systems around everywhere I go, which is also great, not having to just make sure I have everything for both camera systems. So I saved this for last on this video because it's a big deal for my family and I, well, both on a personal level and for creating my content. Pretty much all levels. It's an awesome thing. So we're in the middle of a move to a great area in Pennsylvania with tons of trails. It's in the woods, tons of trails, tons of things to do, and a great community to boot. Sadly, this means goodbye to our old house and my beloved studio that I spent a long time building and perfecting, but I will be building a new studio and documenting the entire process, which makes for even more cool content, and I'm very excited about it. So this is a totally new adventure for me, and I'm glad to have you along for the ride. Please subscribe and tell your friends. Create, share, repeat, and keep it awesome. See you next time, and have a great new year.